Hey everyone, so this video is concerned for the implementation of Forbidden Response 403 in Django. So first of all, let's understand that what is this response 403. Suppose we are trying to access any content which is not for which we are not authorized. So instead of displaying the content, what we'll just get is that you don't have the permission to access this resource. So let's try and implementing this logic. So first of all, we have to copy and paste this code in our views.py file. So let me explain it first, that in this restricted view, what we are just doing is that if the user is not authenticated, then we are just displaying the command that you don't have the permission to access this resource. So to make the video short and crisp, I have already added this code in my views.py file right here. Now we have to create a URL which will call this view. So let's open the urls.py file, and as you can see, I have created a temporary URL by the name res, which will call my restricted view function which I just created in my views.py file. So let's test my code by running the server again. Let me run the server again by python manage.py run server. Okay, so let's open the site. Alright, so this is my site. Now let's go to that URL, which is res. And as you guys can see, it is showing that you do not have the permission to access this route, because at this particular moment no user is authenticated. So we have successfully created the forbidden 403 error template, and this marks the end of the video. Thanks for watching.